Hello there, my beautiful collective. I hope you're having a wonderful day. What's up, collective? You can ring my bell, ring my bell. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, collective. What's going on in your energy, collective? What's up? God protects me and God fights my battles. No weapon formed in spirit or physical against me shall prosper. I'm highly favored and protected from all evil, as is my beautiful collective. What's going on with your energy? What's up? What do y'all need to know? Ooh, Lord have mercy. We got 36, commitment, and 12, slow and steady. Well, oh, Lord have mercy. If I want to read off the floor, let's just hold off on those two right now. We'll just place them there. Oh, so we got 12, slow and steady, snail's pace. Right, the rabbit and the hare. 36, commitment. That goes to 3. 3 is Empress. 6, 7, 8, 9 is Hermit. Slow and steady, commitment. 1, 2, 3, 6. That all goes to 12. Back to 12, which is the Hangman energy. So, whatever the fuck is going on at a snail's fucking pace. Okay, so take that how that resonates. Empress and Hermit mode, the Hangman energy, too much thinking. What the fuck, collective? God protects me and God fights my battles. Yeah, look at that. 7 of Cups with the 9 of Wands. Whatever the fuck this is, it is slow. It is slow as fuck. Some of y'all could be seeing cardinals. There's something you need to be working on. This commitment card, you see that hand coming out? Kind of like with the Ace of Pentacles energy. There's something you need to be focused on. It's a vulnerability, but you're not being like fully vulnerable. Your movement is being kind of restricted in a way, but it's like trust spirit. Some of y'all just gotta trust spirit right now. If something gives you cause for pause, then slow the fuck down on it, okay? Because you see the upper part of her body is exposed. The bottom part for movement forward is that snail energy. So some of y'all gotta trust spirit on this. That is that divine timing, divine destiny. A commitment don't have to be a relationship. This could just be you a commitment to yourself. Given to yourself, loving yourself. Because I'm drawn to the 2. Notice some 2 stars there? It's the same 2 stars right there. So you're definitely being guided, but it's at a snail's fucking pace. Because there's still a lot going on in the background. Lord have mercy. It leads to a happy result, so whatever the hell it is, right? You can't rush it. Four Swords, the stagnation for a reason. There is so much at play. Lord have mercy. Those of you that want it quick and easy, it ain't gonna happen. So what's over top of this? The Fool card. Go about. Live your life, love your life, focus on you. 7 of Wands. Whatever the fuck's going on here, Spirit is watching. You gotta walk away from a situation, person, place, or thing. There's definitely... That's what's protecting you. There's an energy around you that you need to make sure you pull your energy from. Okay, if some of you are still caught up in toxic relationships, partnerships, and you're bringing that into anything new, if you don't get the healing that you need and focus on yourself, you just going to taint whatever the fuck is being brought toward you. Some of you, that's why Spirit is tapping the brakes on shit. You need to go after your wish fulfillment. Yeah, some of y'all need to walk away from the toxic relationships and partnerships. Can people change? Of course they can. Do you have to be the one to test that theory? Fuck no, you don't. Some of y'all, that's what Spirit's telling you. If you decide to go down that road, there you go. There's a new King of Cups, Queen of Cups. But you gotta skip away from this fucking toxic shit. You gotta skip away from the toxic shit. Put that negativity behind you for the blessings to come in. Ooh, Lord, yeah. If you're calling in, oh. Some of you calling in past people. Someone concentrating on past people, wanting to work it out. That's why your growth is being stunted. That's why things have been slowed down. Spirit's sending someone a fucking packing, though. The toxic person is being sent away. Take that however the hell that resonates on your behalf. You need to remove from the toxic energy. Some of y'all, this could just be thought patterns with that Seven of Wands, right? No more trying to make love out of nothing at all and, you know, fools rush in shit. Let's throw some songs on this, or at least one song on this. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So you got something good coming in, but it's not what the fuck you think. It's not what you think, it's not who you think. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you'll see me, somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person, still in love with you. I should have changed that stupid lock, I should have made you leave your key. Yeah, okay. So there you go, that's your answer. It ain't past. It's new. So if you're stagnant, you're feeling stagnant, it's because you're holding on to something you don't need to. Spirit's just kind of pulling you back. To find the right King of Cups person to come into your life. This is going to be a truly beautiful blessing. That's why it takes time. That's why it takes time. That's why it takes time. You got to heal the broken heart. You got to move forward unencumbered with your own shit together. Three is Empress energy. Who the fuck is this devil energy? And if it isn't a love reading, you guys, that's just anything that keeps you bound and restricted. For a lot of you, it's your thought fucking process. You got to move out of that sort of illusion and confusion when it comes to your heart. If it don't feel right, you let it go. Yeah, you got to cut this this toxic energy out of your life. Some of you are still kind of teetering. You're teetering. So you're going to have somebody want to come back in, but that's going to be a choice you're going to have to make. You need to remove your emotions from it, okay? If you still get emotionally triggered, you need to leave that shit alone. Especially if you know they ain't no good for you. So here you go. This is the choices you make, right? You can come to a tarot reading to understand, but you still got choices you got to make. You going to go back down that path, or are you smart? Have you healed yet? Some Some of you are dealing with a toxic energy that just wants to come back in, but you're not given to it anymore. That's why Spirit has slowed you down. As long as you're moving forward, I don't care if it's baby steps, you're still moving forward, right? What is this commitment about? Ten of Pentacles. Abundance, stability, everything. That's what a real relationship partnership is. Working together, creating together, building together, traveling together, creating a life together. Slow and steady. What's the slow and steady about? Page of Pentacles. Ooh, why does that feel like someone could be getting tempted? Ace of Cups. Four of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. You got to give to yourself. Some of you got to learn to give that love to yourself. Yeah, this is a fucking truth. You got to learn to give that love to yourself. You got it here. Four of Pentacles with the Queen of Pentacles is the Five of Pentacles, right? You have 5, they have 5. Combined, you guys create 10. Some of you got to have that heart chakra open to receive the love that you want. It's at a snail's pace because it's like you need to slow down. Just slow down. Everything just needs to slow down because you're sitting good. Everything is good. This is to allow that balance to come in. This could be loving yourself, keeping that heart chakra open. You got everything that you need. You know that 12 goes down to 3, which is Empress energy. 9 is the Hermit. Your blessings. You've learned from the lesson because here's that 5 of Pentacles moving to the 10 of Cups. You each have 5. Combined, you create 10. It's a beautiful, loving energy, right? That's Libra, bringing in the justice. King of Swords, knocking off that negativity. Moving away to 12, the Hangman energy. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Eight of Cups goes in search of their 9 of Cups. What are you manifesting right now? Slow and steady. This is about your mindset. This is about your mindset. Don't get impatient. Do not get impatient right now. That is not going to serve your purpose. It is not going to... What the fuck? Let's just see what they are. 27 is home, and then we got number 1, bone collectors. 10, endings, new beginnings. So Wheel of Fortune energy. Wheel of Fortune energy. Goes back down to 1, the Magician. What are you manifesting? One, 2, 1, 3, 6, 2, 7. 127, 1, 2, 3, 6. Got 2 9s here. Commitment, that goes down to 9. Home goes down to 9. 1, 2, 1. That goes to 4, which is Emperor energy. What's the overall energy of this spread? 6 of Wands energy. King of Swords, the Fool, 10 of Pentacles. You gotta be smart right now. You gotta be smart. Bottom of the deck is the 7 of Swords. You're in that King, Queen of Swords energy. You've got to block in order to receive. Ace of Wands, Page of Wands, 7 of Swords. Mastering energy. Mastering energy. Magician energy, right? Balance is coming in, but emotionally somebody is feeling a certain sort of way. That's the dark night of the soul energy. That's whoever that toxic energy is around you. Spirit's going to come in and cut you down and set you free in a situation. You're going to see the truth about a person, place, or thing. It's going to allow you to move the fuck forward. Give you the strength to move forward. Page of Swords, you're going to see the way. Knight of Swords. To the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. 2 of Wands. To the Magician. Back to that manifesting energy. The Star. 2 of Pentacles. 2 of Swords. Ten of Swords to the 7 of Wands. Some of you got some spiritual protection going on here. Passed over loved ones. Blocking a lot of the interference heading your way. 2 of Swords with that 2 of Pentacles. Whatever the fuck's going on here. There's definitely some manipulation in the form of that Magician's energy. But it's a very positive energy. 22. Clarify this 2 of Pentacles and this 2 of Swords. You need to remove your emotions right now. Some of y'all just keep that heart chakra open and be open for the new. Be open to something different. Be open to something just new. There's a lot going on in the background you don't see. Yeah, there's a lot going on in the background you don't see. Your spirit guides are working on this. Your spirit guides are working on this. Knight of Wands, 4 of Swords, conflict, and the Hierophant. Yeah, there's some like spiritual conflict going on here. This is your passed over loved ones. This is your ancestors taking care of shit on your behalf. The conflict around you. But you are protected. The Sun, the Knight of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. That's why you're being asked to slow the fuck down for a minute. Yeah. Hermit, the Moon, and the 5 of Cups. Whoever the hell you moved away from is feeling a certain sort of way. They're going through that dark night of the fucking soul. They're going through something spiritual as well. Your ancestors, their ancestors, something's weighing heavy on someone's mind. Please do not tap into that fucking energy. You got 10 of Cups heading your way. But you ain't getting 10 of Cups with somebody in 5 of Cups energy. You got to decide what a true 10 of Cups is in your life. What that's all about. The Empress has to make the right fucking decisions. Who she's going to bring in. She ain't drinking from no dirty ass cup. She ain't drinking from some cup full of tears either, right? That ain't a positive energy. So whoever that sort of Capricornish energy is in your life that you need to move the fuck away from, you need to let the well run dry on that. Someone is definitely going through a spiritual awakening or getting some spiritual sort of they're going through something spiritually. Let's just put it that way. Let's just put it that way. Yeah, this is someone you left behind. This is someone you left behind. King of Wands, 6 of Cups, the Lovers, and the 8 of Cups. No backseas right now. The backseas would just lead to a tower. 616 could factor in. 6616. So you're going to have a decision to make. Move forward, new, or keep repeating the same fucking cycle. Because someone's going through something on an emotional level that you don't want no fucking part of. You don't want no fucking part of that. They're not in any energy to build. There's still 5 of Cups in it. 5 of Cups, 9 of Swords. That would taint that Ace of Cups energy. Go live your life. Go live your life. Go live your life. Take it easy, take a break. Slow down. There's a lot of manifesting energy here. A lot of manifesting energy. Whew. Yeah. Wheel of Fortune, the Magician. Commitment is slow and steady. Damn, where are we at? 2247? Yeah, right now whatever's going on around you is kind of like a one-ring circus. That's why you're kind of being slowed down. You gotta wait for the first act to get done. 6 is the Lovers. 15 is the Devil energy. Yeah, right now things are like a one-ring circus. There's like the elephant in the fucking room. That act's gotta play out first. Yeah, addressing the elephant in the room. What the fuck is this one-ring circus about? Trusting your gut, your guidance, and your intuition. The Wheel of Fortune. Five of Cups. What energy are you manifesting in? Empress. Empress, you were the basis of this. What energy are you manifesting in? Yeah, you need to get out of that shit. That's the sort of elephant in the room. Temperance Angel, Sagittarius energy. Give to yourself. Make sure you're grounded. Drink plenty of water. Yeah. So my Empresses, is this your energy? Slow and steady. Some's being returned to cinder. That's why things are slow. That's why things are slow. Temperance angel, you're being moved to a better energy, a better location, a better sort of opportunity, a better commitment. You need to be willing to move forward, slow and steady. Some of you are being asked to move away from a commitment. So if you're feeling this certain sort of way, you know something ain't right. You know something ain't right. Love yourself. Go be happy. Don't be afraid to start anew. Don't be afraid to start anew. Don't be afraid to... This is when you say no and you move on to something better. Some of you have, and now you got wounded energies around you. Empress energy, right? You were dealing with a fake-ass emperor. Some of y'all fake-ass friends, whatever the fuck. So you need to move away from a commitment. God, there's a lot of manipulation in this. So y'all keep your prayers up. Do what you need to do. There's a lot of manipulation. There's a lot of manipulation. Stay focused. Stay focused. Woo. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring-a-ling-a-ling. And I noticed 2656 on the phone on that. 2656 could mean something. Keep prayed up. Keep doing what you're doing. Any movement forward is movement forward, okay? Someone could be getting out of a commitment that has kept them trapped. Whatever's going on, there's a lot of manipulation, okay? So keep praying to the mighty. Whew. Peace, love, and light collective. Peace, love, and light.